If you want it,
Haitian All-StarZ.
got it. From the tri-state to the islands, to the rest of the world and back.
Get it on.
Everybody
Got you covered.
Haitian All-StarZ.
What you're working on, and you know, you definitely hosted and rocked with us for the Earthman Experience at Genie Supper Club.
That was so dope.
That was crazy.
That was crazy.
So I'd like to thank you for that.
No doubt.
You know, that was bananas. That was bananas. That was like a dream come true, actually. So you know. That was dope.
That
That
was my first time. No, it wasn't, because I had Googled you guys and Earthman, saw you rocking out at SOBs. I was like, damn, yeah. And just to hear his stories as far as him calling out in the wild in Jamaica and all the birds coming out, I was just like, you know, it's about to be a problem.
Yeah.
It's about to be a soundtrack in here.
But it's just the beginning. It's just the beginning, you know what I mean? So very happy to bring everything full circle, and we have to talk about how we met, and well, actually through JayCee, of course, but we're gonna talk about it. And of course, you know, we got Ingrid Austin Daniels in the building. We have a couple of blog topics that we're going to touch on. Feel free, as a Haitian, to jump in and share your voice and opinion on the topics, because it's a discussion. You know what I mean?
Of course.
And yeah, so let's get back into the music, and then when we come back, let's get into the blog, our blog topics with Ingrid Austin Daniels in the building.
3 names.
It's Haitian All-StarZ Radio, Lily.com. Feel free to text us. Y'all. We are here, 347-450-9660. Once again, 347-450-9660. If you want to get at Hard Hittin Harry, Nit Ra Sit, DJayCee, Ingrid Austin Daniels, and Farrah Burns is in the building, y'all. All right?
Haitian All-StarZ.